Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. This is Andy Tuttle with the Tuttle Group at Fairway. Hope you're going to have a great weekend. It got chilly all of a sudden, so if you're out there shopping for homes, bundle up, I guess. But wanted to just do our weekly market update again that we do every week. Just while you're out there shopping for homes, you can kind of get an education and understanding of what's happening in the market so you know what that means to interest rates, what has been going on, and what may transpire over the next few weeks while you're out there shopping for a home. So a lot of things happened this week. We had existing home sales report. We had the new home sales report. These are both reports that talk about new contracts coming on either new builds or existing home purchases, pre-existing purchases, or pre-owned homes you'd call them. So those both were great. In fact, the new home report was the best it's been in 10 years. It was up 12% from last year. Existing home sales report was also good. We did have some inflation concerns this week from the Fed talking, from the minutes of the Fed meeting from the first, and that caused a little bit of pressure on bonds. But overall, actually, the week ended up on a pretty good rally. Let's take a look at the charts. So this is remember the live trading of mortgage-backed securities. This is a price chart. So the lower the price, the higher the rates, and vice versa. This is November 8th, the election date. Since then, rates went up, prices fell. Rates went up almost a full point. We had a nice, what we call Fibonacci retracement, which is a natural retracement that happens in a correction. That did happen over the next month. And since then, we've been kind of in this wide range, with this would be our top end. Kind of, you can see this red line here, this is the resistance, and this bottom line being the lower broadband of the trend range. So it's a wide range. It's almost it's about a 0.5% range, and we were right in the middle of that to start the week. But this week, because of the existing home sales report, some other news, and now the Dow finally kind of having some vacillating, and after a 10-day strong run, kind of came back down a little bit and corrected some. Really all has helped the bond market get a nice little rally where rates have improved about 1/8 of a point over the week. So that's great for a lot of you that were pre-approved here early in the week. You can expect to see a range where now you could see rates, and they could potentially improve another 1/8, and we'll talk about that in a minute, over the next week or so. But there's also going to be some downside pressure, and we'll talk about a potential head fake here where you could see rates maybe go back to their levels, and as long as they stay above this is what we want. We won't see them worsen too much more. We don't want to see that happen. If we do, rates could get worse by another 0.25% or greater. We don't want that to happen. So we're going to hopefully stay in this tighter range. Let's take a look at the 10-year just to kind of show you what we're going to be watching here. This is a yield chart, so the higher the yield, the higher the rates, lower the yield, lower the rates. We broke through a very important barrier yesterday of 2.4 on the yield. We can see we've been way up here for a while. So now we're at this. We are right at this. Barrier right here. This is a big level of resistance. You can see if you draw it all the way out here that we have not really cracked this 2.32 here in a while. So if yields can push below this next week, we've really got a nice little ride down here in rates, really all the way down to this 100-day moving average, and maybe even a little lower. So we'll be watching that for you. We'll be watching this this specific zone on yields to see if we can break through that floor on yields and see if we can break above this spot in price, and we'll keep you posted on that. We've got another busy news week next week, so we'll keep the eye on it for you. Other than that, have a great weekend. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help you with your offers. We'll be talking with your realtors and helping you with that while you're out there shopping for homes, and we're always just a phone call away. So call us if you need us, and happy hunting. Take care.